Okay, so this is how to make an origami cup. At the end, it'll look like this. Cup, trying to best show it. The camera's facing downwards. Sides, then inside, it's like this. So, I'll cover the camera. Okay, anyway, let's get to making it. This is pink also, if you can't see. Anyway, let's get started. So, grab a square piece of paper, fold it in half to make a triangle. You can see that I already folded it, just to make it easier to fold a triangle, because I'm always bad at folding triangles. And so, then you turn it over to have the point facing forward. And so, since my camera is adjusted, then it's not really facing forward to you guys, but yeah, still. Just make it facing forward. And then you just fold this part down. You fold the top part of the paper. You take the tip and then you fold it down so that the bottom of it touches to the other tip. That was the door opening and closing. So then this is, just make it bigger. Okay, and then it's just a tip. Okay, I'll uncover my hands so that you guys can see it like this. And so then you just unfold it. There's a crease line. Actually, you guys should actually fold it so that it's like this, actually, more like down. Just so that you can check to make sure if it's in the right spot just by folding this down. If that works, then it's good. So when you fold it down to connect it, it should also be slightly slanted to the side. And that's just how it's going to be made. So then you just fold it back up. So you see the crease line that you made right here? That is where you'll be folding. Okay, so you just fold this other tip to where the end of the crease line was. And so you just do this. This is not a crease line, so you just keep it. And then you fold this side so that it hits the tip of it. Well, not really the tip, but right here hits where this other one went. And so there should also be a little hole in the bottom, maybe. Well, that's how I always make it, but you can modify it if you want. It's okay if there's this flap still extending off, because you flip it over and you just put it back. You can also tape it if you want, but for this it's easy. You take these two flaps, fold it down to their sides, like this, and then do that with the other side onto the other side. And so now you've got your paper cup that you can open, and yeah. Now you've got the paper cup, yay. This one is bigger though, so just so you know. Oh, and I had this like domino, well, not really domino, but Asian doll. Or it's called Russian doll. I think it's called Russian doll. But I made way too many different sizes of these. And I stuck cups inside of the cups. I just kept stacking and stacking into at least 15 Russian cups. You know how I changed the Russian cups. Okay, and yeah. Bye. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like the video. Bye. See you guys later. Yay.